Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back to do my little giveaway for What's in My Boo Bag, um, hosted by Martha Makes Art and Jennifer over at Scrapbooks and More. Is that right? Um, I did this ahead of time, so I cut up or I wrote down everyone that put in their comments Happy Halloween, and I wrote their channel name on these papers instead of their name. So if you hear your channel, um, I will, and I put the comments. I'm disabling the comments down below. Send me an email with your address and I'll mail out your little boo bag and some goodies um, in the mail. So I'm doing it this way because I was going to do it another way, but it's too much trouble. And I like seeing it done this way, and I have it in this little Dollar Tree water container for watercolor, and I couldn't find a little basket, but I got quite a few people in my video. So let's see who's gonna be the lucky winner. Okay, let me see. I'm not looking. I'm looking at my camera. Okay, here we go. Oop, I got two. Oop, let me let me do it again. Maybe this is not a good idea. All right, let's see. Let me pick out. Let's pick out a winner here. All right, here we go. It is Mary Jo Crafting and Dolls. If you hear your channel name, please send me an email. My email is down below, and send me your mailing address so I can mail this out to you. I hope to mail it out either tomorrow or first thing Monday morning. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks everyone for commenting on my video. Thank you for some have subscribed. Thank you so much. I hope you stay, and hope you stay and watch more of my videos. So thanks everybody once again, and have a great Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.